This is the Inateck Sling bag. Stylish, high quality, and believe it or not, it only costs around 35 to 40 bucks. Its versatility is amazing. It's splash proof and can carry a surprising amount of gear, even an umbrella. Sounds too good to be true? Let me show you. We will unpack it together, explore the many compartments here, and I will share 2 specific use cases where this bag has already come in handy. A big shout out to Inateck for sending me this bag for free for an honest review. They haven't seen this video beforehand, so stay tuned until the end, where I cover everything including any quirks I found. But first, let's start from the beginning. Alright, here's the package. I would say let's open it right away. And here we go. Oh, this packaging looks really nice with this font on there from Inateck. It's shiny and silver. I really like it. Cool, let's go directly for the unpacking. Here is the Inateck Sling bag. Woven in tough zipper. Material looks like it's high quality. You can extend this. Okay, and here you have the zipper. Right, you have a lot of compartments here. There is a bigger one. I think this compartment here can fit a switch or even a small tablet. Then you have separate compartments where you can put in some kind of batteries or cables. Very useful. And then you have here in the front a separate zipper compartment. That's really cool here. Let's check the front. Here in the front you have this logo, and here you have a black matte design. This triangle here, I think it's reflective, so because it's completely black, we can also use this at night, then it reflects light. What we have here in the front is another zipper compartment. You can put here, okay, let's get rid of this. It's a useful thing where you can put a key on it or something like that. And there is a separate compartment for putting some other tiny stuff in it, and also you can put here in the front pocket a mobile phone or some tissues. Then you have also on the back side what is really convenient, because when you wear it directly on your body, this is covered by your body. So here you can put a wallet, or as you can see here as well, some credit cards and maybe a passport or something like that when you're traveling. Alright, so I think this was everything what's inside with compartments and zippers. But on the side you have still another small, it's not really hidden, but here you can see there is another open compartment which is accessible directly from the outside. Here you can put, for example, a bottle, or alternatively you can also use this for an umbrella, for example. Here, this slim bag from Inateck is also water resistant, so it's not waterproof, because I think the zippers are not waterproof, but when there is slight water or you get into rain, it shouldn't be a problem. Alright, last but not least, we have also the closure here of the bag. You can see this is connected directly to the straps, so you can open this as well and close it, and on the side they are directly connected to the bag, and it's very strong. Additionally, when you want to adjust it very quickly, you have this fast adjustment clip where you can easily adjust the bag to the needed size. And when you want to fasten it, you just use this clip and it's done. So this is really cool as well. Alright, in the first use case I show you how I'll use the Inateck Sling bag for a photo trip. For that I don't want to carry around my larger camera and my backpack. I want to have a smaller setup with my Sony ZV-1. So this is a vlogging camera, can record 4K videos and is a very, very good point and shoot camera. So this is what I want to pack here in the sling bag. Then 3 additional batteries. Because of the size, you can see they last not that long, so I need additional ones, but I also want to be even more versatile and put an additional camera lens on my Sony ZV-1 with an adapter. Alright, so this was the camera stuff. I also have a tripod where I can put the camera on, so it's very convenient. It's not that heavy, it's tiny, but you can use it to put it on a table to get even more steady shots. Alright, so, and last but not least, I also need good sound, so even though the ZV-1 has a good microphone built in, I will use the additional Ulanzi AM18 external microphone. Alright, then I have my umbrella, as I already showed you before, or alternatively I can use a water bottle. Then I will also carry around my wallet for sure, because I need my money, and I can also use the compartment on my body to hide additional credit cards. And for sure you need maybe some tissues you can pack simply also in the sling bag. Let's start packing this sling bag. Alright, because there are so many compartments, I will choose the back one here for my wireless microphone. Then I will use the one for the batteries here. Alright, then for my additional camera lens, I think I can put it here. And my tripod, my mini tripod, goes directly here. And because I want to have easy access to my camera and I want to get it out very fast, I will put this in the main compartment here on the back side. Okay, so I think the main tools are packed. Now we take care of the additional ones. So first of all, I will store my umbrella here in this pocket. This is very easy, as you can see here. It's hidden and you can carry it around directly also in this pocket. Then we will store our wallet and tissues here in the front of the bag. This one and this one. Let's close it again. Alright, and last but not least, I also want to carry around additional credit cards, and I can put them on the side which is close to the body here and covers this compartment here on the back side directly here. 3 are stored. And this is the part you cover with your body. This is great. And the rest is saved here. So this is exactly how I use it for smaller trips outside when I don't want to carry around my huge backpack. Alright, in my second use case I want to use this sling bag from Inateck for traveling. I want to take it with me to the plane, so I can store this under the seat. It's compact enough, and for that I can also take it with me and carry around my, for example, Switch. So the Switch is a gaming console, very compact. I will put it simply here in this compartment and it fits perfectly. When I'm running out of battery here and the flight is longer, I can also use one of these here to store here a USB-C to USB-A cable, so I can plug it in to the power supply on my flight. Alright, then I also want to have some headphones with me, so wireless ones, also putting it here in my sling bag. The next thing is to clean up the display. I can also use a microfiber cloth. I will put it here. Alright, then I can also use another game. I can also use this. I will put this to the microfiber cloth. And finally, I also want to take some notes, so I will put here also a notebook in for notes for new ideas for YouTube videos. So this is basically my YouTube notebook. Alright, good. So here we almost through. The only thing what I want to take with me in this sling bag is also my mobile phone. So therefore I need also a power bank in case of emergency when I want to charge it. So I can put it here in the middle. Now I can close this part. Alright, I will put in this front compartment here now again my wallet, because I need it as well during a flight. Then I put in here my mobile phone, and sure, for traveling we need our passports, so this is also stored in the front compartment. Alright, that's basically it, but in the back compartment I can also store my t-shirts here. Also, it's soft when it's on the back, so, and I think this is a compact combination for a flight. And when I'm thirsty I can also use a bottle of water here, and I simply put it in here and I can use it on my trip. Awesome. This is option 1. And option 2 is a bonus. So when you don't have a Switch, but you want to use a tablet, I also searched for one I have already at home. So this tablet is 8-inch, so an 8-inch tablet. And let's try if it fits also in the sling bag. All right, cool. As you can see, it fits perfectly and I can close the sling bag without any issues. All right, so now you can carry here your Switch or a tablet with you in this compact combination. So this is really great what fits in this sling bag from Inateck. Awesome. So I can say happy traveling. All right. I hope you now have a solid impression of just how versatile the Inateck sling bag is. Honestly, for the price, it's hard to beat. But there are a couple of things to keep in mind. While the bag has many advantages, it could be a bit larger, especially when you try to fit a water bottle in the outside compartment. For a small umbrella here, though, it's perfect. Secondly, it's splash-proof, which is great for light rain, but in a heavy downpour, I wouldn't fully trust it, especially with tech here stored right under the zippers here. Also, there is a slight indentation here where water could collect, just something to be aware of. As for the design, some feedback mentioned that the triangle here on the front looks a bit odd, but it's actually a reflector. Personally, I like it, it's just a matter of taste, I think. So despite these minor points, I don't think you can find anything better with the same quality and versatility at this price point. Right now, it's discounted on Amazon for about 34 instead of 56 USD, around about 31 euro, which is also great. You can find the affiliate link down below. Oh, and one more thing, maybe you noticed at the beginning, I have another package from Inateck here, which I plan to review in this video, but after seeing how versatile the sling bag is, I decided it deserved its own review. Plus, I'm pretty sure this little buddy here will also surprise me, so make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this review and want to see the next Inateck product right here on my channel. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Want to watch another video from me? Check out this one here. Easy as that. Stay healthy, take care, and I will see you in the next one.